Hello traders, in this video you are going to learn about the Forex Easy Strategy for beginners. However, this strategy is not limited to Forex. You can use it in crypto market and the stocks as well. You can use it on gold as well. So as you know that you must have heard about the different type of the moving averages, but today I am going to show you the special moving average which is hidden on TradingView, and today I am going to expose that moving average in front of you. So before I start this video, if you want to join the best broker, the link is given in the description of this video that I personally use. So guys, in this strategy we are using a very special moving average that is called Mavilim W Ortala Malam by Kiwan. Okay, so I know the name is bit difficult to understand, and please note that this is by Kiwan's Osbijelik. So I am just going to repeat this name again, Mavilim W Ortala Malan by Kiwans, and also it is written FR3762 after this moving average. Okay, so you can see that 2966 traders are using it into their favorites. Okay, so I have just attached the moving average on my screen. Okay, so this is basically Fibo based moving average. This is Fibo weighted moving average, which gives you very good excellent results. Right now on my screen you can see that I am just using the 1 minute time frame, and you can see a very good accuracy on this moving average. Okay, so this is not done because we want another indicator with this strategy, that is moving average exponential and without any author. So once I attach it, you can see a thin blue line that has appeared on my screen. So I'm going to the settings of the exponential moving average. I am going to give it a different color, like for example I'm going to use the green color here. Okay, and into the input section I want to change the length from 9 to 200. Right now what I will do, I will press OK, and you can see the method is attached on my screen and the strategy is ready to go and work like a charm. So the strategy is very simple. As you can see, the first indicator that we attached, that has a very difficult name. So you will wait for its three moving averages to turn into blue color to go for a bullish entry. Okay, so you will take a buy position when all three moving averages will turn into the blue color, and the second condition should met, that the 200 EMA, the candles should be above the 200 EMA. You can go for the bullish entry. So if we talk about here, let's say here we have a bullish momentum, and we have set up the stop loss at the previous low. Now you can just imagine that how well this market simply went into the upward direction. So if we go on calculating the profit ripple ratio, you can see it was 9.41 if you look at the market up to here, right? Okay, but this is the trending market. Definitely it is not going to come all the time, so we are used to go with the other pairs as well. Now look at this beauty. So do not about these random signals, because they are not going to hurt you, because if you look at here, the 200 moving average is at the top. Okay, so what I have suggested you are not going to take any buy position when the moving average is at the top and you are getting a buy signal. This is completely wrong. Only look for the sell signal. So even if we talk about here, the sell signal went successful for the scalping, the sell signal also worked, buy signal come, but you know that the market is below the 200 EMA, and then finally you have received a very good call for the short position right from here, and you will set up the stop loss at the previous high, and then you can see that how much you can make. And look at this, this was the profit that you can make, 9.28 ratio on this one. Again, the two moving averages turned slightly blue, but the third one didn't went blue, so we will consider this trade a valid trade. And if we go further down, then you can see we were able to catch 16.5 ratio. Look at here guys, this is the beauty, that you are risking a very small portion of the market and you are making a high money with this. Okay, let's move, let's check some other pair where it's kind of a ranging pattern where it's not much moving. Okay, so for example, let's have a look on gold. Okay, still we were able to catch very good profits, because even if you look at here, long position here above the 200 EMA, and here the moving averages were turned blue. Okay, so how much we were able to catch? let's say that how it performed into the ranging pattern, it was almost 2.9 ratio. That's very, very good. Okay, here even also we were able to catch the buy position. Here also you can see the trend get changed, and I mean you will find a lot of opportunities. And right now you can see the ranging pattern is in formation, so do not trade this one because it's kind of a ranging pattern. Okay, now have a look on USD JPY. Now you will tell me that how perfect the signals are. Long position here, the moving averages turn into the color into the blue, and you can see you are able to catch 1.48 ratio here. And even on the next trade, if we take about from here, if we have taken a trade, set up the stop loss at the previous row, look guys, that you will be getting almost 4 ratio here. So guys, this is very beautiful. Okay, now look at this example. Keep this thing in your mind. The market is the candles are above the 200 EMA. That's a red sign by the three weighted Fibo moving averages, but you will not sell. You will, because until unless the market stands above the 200 EMA, you will only buy. When it will go down from the 200 EMA, then you will be finding these selling opportunities. So guys, this indicator is very useful, and I have told you all the tricks how to trade using this indicator. This indicator is special. Just go and put this indicator into your favorite section on TradingView and enjoy this beauty. So guys, if you like this video, please press the like button, subscribe FX Mentor US, and please share this video with everyone. Thank you for watching this video.